Tired of manual sign-ins, lost cards, and endless membership lists? KYNTAG fixes that. One scan controls access and manages credits. Simple, secure, RFID powered. Log in with your master key. You're in the dashboard. Scanners ready. Real-time metrics show today's scans and active members. New tag? It opens a blank form. Enter name, phone, photo, register in seconds. Member exists, but no sessions left? Confirm to proceed, then refill credits or update details right here. Has credits? Scan auto decrements one session. Full profile loads, photo, info, and complete scan history with timestamps. Members list. Search by name, ID, or phone. Export to Excel instantly. Sessions log. Filter by date or user. Export or bulk delete old records. Settings let you change the master key, adjust cooldown, or set session rules. KYNTAG. Fast RFID access control and membership management. DM me for a live demo